Dear students, in this video we'll discuss about class 5 Oxford New Learners Grammar and Composition chapter number 11 Modals Can Shall. Okay, so if you have not watched the other chapters, here look at the screen, you can go to the playlist section and also watch them. Okay, so here read each sentence carefully and write the function of can in each. So I can ride a horse. So you know here can is used, okay, to indicate one's ability. Okay, so what is the function of can here? You have to write ability. Then next we can play with my brother on the terrace. So you know this is one type of possibility, okay, not permission. Okay, so you should write possibility. I can stay out till 7 p.m. Okay, so you know this is permission here, not possibility. Then next, can you hand me the stapler? So you know this is can is used, okay, to indicate one's request. Any child can grow up to be the president. So here can is used to indicate the possibility. Okay, any child can grow up to be the president. Then here next, read the sentences below, change them into their past and negative forms. One has been done for you. Okay, so you have to first change into their past form and also negative. We can we can play with my brother on the terrace. The first you have to change into past tense here. Okay, so we could play. You have to just change, okay, can, okay, into could. Then next you have to change into negative. Okay, I cannot. Okay, we cannot clear, we cannot play with my brother on the terrace. With my brother on the terrace. Clear? The next, you can stay out till 7 p.m. Okay, so you have to first change into simple past. Okay, so you could not. Okay, you could stay out. Okay, just you have to change can, okay, to could. So here, then next you have to change into negative. Okay, you cannot. You can't stay out. Okay, you can't stay out till 7 p.m. Clear? Then next, I can save this answer on the computer for you. So first you have to change into simple past. Okay, I could. Okay, so here you have to write first simple past. I could save this answer. So you have to change can to could. Then you have to form negative. Okay, I cannot save this answer. Save this. Just you have to add the other thing. Okay, other words here. These horses can run very fast. So similarly, you have to change can into could. This is simple past. Then you have to change into negative. These horses cannot. Okay, cannot run very fast. Clear? Then next, the girl can carry heavy boxes. So here first you change into simple past. Could. That girl could carry heavy boxes. Then change into negative. Okay, cannot. Clear? Then next, read each dialogue carefully, state the function of shall in each case. So here first, shall we go to school together tomorrow? You know this is to suggest something. Okay, to here the function of shall you should write to suggest something. Then next shall we have lunch now? This is also the function of shall to suggest something. Your friend, yes, so where shall we go? This is also to ask a question for specific information. Specific. Okay, where shall we go? Clear? Then next here, teacher announcing. The chief guest has arrived. We shall start the meeting very soon. Okay, so this is also to announce something definite. Okay, to announce something definite. Then next year, students, let's sit in our places, shall we? To suggest something. Okay. Then next year, fill in the blanks with can, could, shall and should. Use not wherever necessary. Okay. So we should keep our environment clean. We shouldn't spit or throw garbage everywhere. So already first answer already given here. So here your friend, yes, you drive a car. So can you drive a car? So this is one's ability. Can you drive a car? I have not learned how to drive yet. So I can't. Okay. Then next here, Shivani, dash we go on a vacation. This is suggested to suggest something. Shall we go on a vacation? Karthik, we cannot because we because I won't get leave now. Okay, we cannot. Then next Amar, can you lend me? So here request, can you lend me your book? I can, but you have to help me with. So you can write here could if. Here the word please is added here. If. Okay, so if please are written like just please. Okay, so if dash you please lend me your book, lend me, you can write here could you. This is more formal request. Okay, more formal. Could you lend me your book? Clear? So here can will be used. Okay, Amar, I can you lend me your book? Binath, I can, but you have to help me with my project. Clear? Then next here match the functions of should or should not with this sentence. So here there are four functions are given to talk about the right thing to do, to ask for advice, to give advice, to give an official order. Okay, so here first should I join the gym? Okay, so this is used to ask for advice. Okay, so here B. Then next you should complete the report card by tomorrow. Okay, so this is official order. So here should is used, okay, to give an official order. You should complete the report card by tomorrow. You shouldn't wait to get the photocopies done. To give advice. So here C. Okay. The next is shouldn't you work out the math problem? So here to talk about, okay, to talk about right things to do. I shouldn't watch too much. So here this is also used. Should is used here. Shouldn't is used here to talk about the right things to do. So I shouldn't watch too much. So here the function of shouldn't is used as to talk about the right things to do. Then next, should I admit my daughter in a music class? So here should is used, okay, to ask for advice. To ask for advice. Okay, B. The next, nobody should create trouble in the playground. So this is here should is used to give an official order. The next, I should be careful while crossing the road. Okay, so to talk about the right thing to do. Okay, A. Clear? So I think this video will help you. If you find any doubt, you can comment in the comment box. Okay, thank you.